They said no pilot could survive missions this dangerous, so America built one that doesn't need a pilot at all. This is the X-47B Stealth Drone, a machine so advanced it changed the meaning of air power forever. Born from the shadows of innovation, the X-47B was designed by Northrop Grumman under a vision to create an aircraft that could think, fly, and fight, all on its own. Its smooth, tailless design makes it nearly invisible to radar. No heat signature, no pilot, no mercy. During its first carrier takeoff in 2013, the world watched in silence. A drone. Launching from an aircraft carrier, something once thought impossible. It could land itself on a moving deck, navigate storms, and strike with precision, all while communicating with other aircraft in the sky. For the first time, human reflexes were no longer the fastest thing in combat. Artificial intelligence had entered the battlefield. What makes the X-47B truly terrifying is not its weapons. It's the silence, the control, the unseen dominance. It learns, it adapts, it strikes, all without emotion, all without hesitation. In a future where machines can think faster than men, the X-47B stands as a silent reminder that power no longer belongs to humans alone. The X-47B is not just a drone, it's a prophecy, a glimpse of the wars to come. From the shadows to the stratosphere, this is the hidden power changing the future of stealth air warfare. Forever. Subscribe now to JetForce News for more unstoppable stories of air power, secret military tech, and the machines that rule the skies. This is where the future takes flight.